For websites that accept debit or credit card without OTP verification. There are websites that accept debit or credit card without OTP verification, and I would like you to be aware so that you can take care of your card very well, because scammers are using it to have access to your money. Welcome to another business. In today's video, we want to make sure you keep on your credit card or debit card safe and avoid giving it to anyone you know that is making use of those websites we want to list in this video, because they likely use it to have access to your money without your permission. Are you new to this channel and would like to receive more interesting videos like this? Kindly subscribe to us and turn on the notification bell. If you find this video useful, do well to like and share with your friends too. Please know that Ronaldo Business is not in any way promoting or encouraging any form of cybercrime with this video, rather to inform and educate their viewers on this channel. Don't ever use it against others, because if you do, you're responsible for the consequence of indulging in this format. Whether in Nigeria, the United States of America, Canada, the UK, India, or anywhere in the world, scammers can shop online with your card without OTP through this website I want to show you. I have a similar video where I show you how they hack ATM cards. You can check it out later. Most of them, once they have picked up someone's debit card or credit card and intend to shop with it, they already know that there will be obstacles. One of the obstacles is the popular OTP that is used to verify the owner of a debit card, and that's why they make use of this website in order to bypass it. If you don't know what OTP is all about, then the OTP, known as one-time password, is used to stop strangers from using someone's debit card if they want to shop online. So if you in any way misplace your card, Ronaldo Business advise you contact your card provider immediately in order to block it, because your money is no longer safe. Now, here are 4 websites that accept debit or credit card without OTP verification. 1. Buy gift card from MakeMyTrip.com. If you have your credit or debit card and wish to shop online without OTP with it, Make My Trip stores is a cool place to shop online without OTP. It is one of the shopping sites without OTP most scammers use today, because they don't send OTP through their payment platform. They just visit their stores and purchase gift card with someone else's credit or debit card, and then sell the gift card to vendor in their country. This is an easy way for them to shop online without OTP. 2. Buy third-party software from Grammarly.com. Most scammers wouldn't need this software, but there are people out there who need it. Their main aim is to buy and resell to people who actually need the software. It's not only Grammarly.com. There's a lot of software out there too, so it depends on the one they can easily find for buyers. They just visit their website and subscribe. They can start selling the account to interested buyers. For Grammarly.com, they look for writers and let them buy it at a cheaper price. It's a simple and very easy way to achieve by them, so be aware when giving out your credit card details. 3. Best for instant cryptocurrency swaps for change now. This is a Bitcoin exchange that can be utilized for purchasing, selling, transferring, and storing digital currency. It securely stores a wide range of digital assets in offline storage. This free platform supports more than 100 countries. You can buy and sell any digital currency and keep track of them in one place, and you can schedule your currency trading on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Also, it stores your funds in a vault for safety purposes. Chain Now is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, and it supports iOS and Android devices. 4. Buy domain and hosting from Namecheap.com. In this case, they just inform people that they can buy a domain and host for them at a cheaper price. Then after the agreement with the buyer, they go ahead and bought it. Most of these websites don't request OTP because the payment gateway is not linked to any bank. Well, that doesn't mean that they support illegal activities, because sometimes they use to suspend users' accounts if suspicious activities were found. As long as the card information is correct on this website, scammers are good to go. I hope you learned something from this video. Let me see you in your comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share with your friends and family on social media. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.